Hello kids, let's know about insects and their names. Welcome to Manushri and Malla tutorial. Insects are tiny creatures and have wings. They can fly and crawl. Ant, aphid, assassin bug, bark beetle, bad bug, bed bug, beetle, biting loose, black fly, blowfly, borer, potfly, stink bug, butterfly, bumblebee, cabbage butterfly, carpenter ant, carpenter bee, caterpillar, centipede, cicada, click beetle, clothes moth, cockroach, crane fly, damselfly, duckling beetle, ladybug, grasshopper, spider, fireflies, lizard, leaf insect. Follow for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe.